Hi, this is Robert Estrin here at the NAMM Show, National Association of Music Merchants, and I just had a wonderful talk with people from PASC, Pianists for Alternatively Sized Keyboards. And you know, I have small hands, so I really appreciate the new standard that they are adapting of 5.5. We could take this measuring chart and you can see how big your hand is. And you know, there are many pianists around the world who have smaller hands, and it's a struggle. For me personally, I grew up with my father, Morton Estrin, who had enormous hands. He could reach all the chords Rachmaninoff wrote. And I grew up hearing that sound and struggled. It took me years and years to develop the strength, learning how to break chords, which I have videos on how that can be done. And yes, you can achieve it. It was years later I discovered with some talented students who were able to develop much more strength and accomplishment of the piano so much more easily than I was able to do with these small hands. So this new standard, smaller keyboard, is being adapted by some very cutting-edge piano companies. You're going to be hearing more about this, and I am an advocate of PASC, and I'd love to hear from all of you. Robert@livingpianos.com. Let me know your thoughts about this new technology and a new direction of the piano industry. Once again, Robert Estrin, thanks for joining me here at the NAMM Show.